Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission with any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 85. If we start with this top row, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 5. 7 here, so 9, 7. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 5. 3 here, so 2, 3. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 8. I don't see any help. So 1, 8, 1, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 2. I don't see any other help. So 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 1, 6 here, so 2, 6. That 1 makes this our 8, 1. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 5. 1 here, so 5, 7. And no help here, 1, 5, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got 1 and 2 here, so this is our 8, but no other help. So 1, 2. For this row, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got the 4 here, so 5, 7. 7 here, so 4, 5. 5 here, so 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. No, we're just missing 3 and 7, but I don't see any help. So 3, 7, 3, 7. For this bottom row, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 5. Since the 8 can't be here, it must be here. For this column, we're missing 5, 6, 7, and 8. We've got 5 and 6 here, so 7, 8. 7 and 8 here, so 5 and 6. And if we look now, the only place the 8 can be in that column is here, and the only place the 6 can be is here. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 7. 7 here, so 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, 6, and 7. We've got 3 and 6 here, so 1, 7. 3 here, so 1, 6, 7. 3 and 6 here, so 1, 7. So now if we look in this column, the only place the 6 can be is here, and the only place the 3 can be is here. And that 3 makes this our 7, 1, 5. That 1 makes this our 7. That 7 makes this our 4, 5, 7, 3, 5. That 7 makes this our 5, 1, 7. And now with that 7, we can get rid of this 7. That means the only place the 7 can be in this box is here. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. And now for this box, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 2. That means the only place the 4 can be in that box is here. For this box, we're missing a 9. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. That 1 makes this our 2, 1, 2, 1. And to finish out this box now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.